Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to increase or decrease the size of the icons on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you need to go into the settings icon. Here, you'll scroll down to the home screen option, and now you'll go into each of these options, click on them, and here you can choose the size of your icons. This is the only way. This is the only method to increase or decrease the size of the icons on a Samsung phone. Here we have the larger icons if I select these icons, the icons will, let me see. No, sorry. These are the smaller icons, so that this way you can fit more icons on each page, okay? So you can fit more icons on each page. Here are the larger icons, so we have four different sizes. You choose the size you want. Click here on the button to confirm, and by doing this, you'll increase the size of the icons. You need to do this in all these options, just like I mentioned, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I did, don't forget to leave a like, drop your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.